Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
We are not prepared to countenance a situation in which the safety and security of our citizens can be violated with impunity by terrorists. It is evident that the group which carried out these attacks based outside the country had come with single-minded determination to create havoc in the commercial capital of the country.
बम्बई हिंदुस्तान का अक्खा इकोनॉमी उधर से इश्ना बम्बई पर हमला बोलेंगे तो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर अक्खा दुनिया को मालूम पड़ेगा बा। अक्खा दुनिया का लीडर यूएन सब हिल जाएगा बा। अरे सिस्टम का तो मां बहन हो जाएगा, हिल जाएगा सब कुछ।
It's been a dramatic evening in Mumbai, South Mumbai in particular. Top tourist places, top hotels are under a terror attack.
The situation really volatile at this moment. Can't say what is happening, can't say what these noises are.
Right.
Definitely some sort of shooting and some sort of grenade sounds that we've in fact just heard.
Three Germans, one Japanese, one Canadian, one Australian, and two deceased identity has to be established as per the report that I received.
Within minutes of first gunfire, panic had struck completely in the entire southern Mumbai. Young, unidentified and heavily armed men were suddenly popping across various locations in the city. From the CST railway station to five-star hotels to the very popular Leopold Cafe in Colaba.
But I heard a lot of gunshots from that area.
इसलिए पुलिस को अपने तरीके से काम करने दीजिए।
सर लेकिन जो ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेट हुए हैं उसका क्या?
ह्यूमन राइट्स
जी
उनसे कहिए यहाँ के केस सॉल्व। 10 क्रिमिनल्स के साथ कुछ बेगुनाह लोग पकड़े जाते हैं। इतना भी परफेक्ट इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है और ये कोई मामूली क्रिमिनल्स नहीं है। इनको लगता है कि जो उन्होंने किया बहुत सही किया, जिहाद है। ये टेररिस्ट है मैडम, कट्टरवादी लोग हैं।
10:30 p.m. the terrorists managed to kill ATS Chief Hemant Karkare, who was supervising anti-terror operations personally at the Kama Hospital. Along with him, additional CP Ashok Kamte and Senior Police Inspector Vijay Salaskar, a crack encounter specialist of the Mumbai Police, also died.
Karkare, who was himself heading the ATS operations, and 14 of my officers and men are gone, fighting against terror, fighting for the people.
moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people, and to the still larger cause of humanity.
दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बम्बे मेरी जान। हो ही हा हा। बेघर को आवारा यहाँ कहते हंस हंस, खुद काटे गले सबके कहे इसको बिजनेस। एक चीज के है कई नाम यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान।